Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Tech Solutions. Today in this video we are going to understand what are different types of operators are there in Java and what is the importance of each one, and we can understand each one more in detail along with some examples. So what is a Java operator? An operator in Java is a symbol that performs an operation on one or more operands. Let us understand it with some example. So this is the statement int sum is equal to 10 plus 20. So you can see this plus sign is highlighted. This is nothing but an operator in Java. So here this is an arithmetic operation, this plus sign, which will perform operation of addition of these two numbers. So this is one operator. Similar way we have different kinds of operator in Java. So let us understand what are different types of operators are there in Java. So first one is arithmetic, which we can use to perform basic mathematical operations, for example addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So next one is a unary operator, so which will operate on a single operand. For example, here you can see this increment operator, double plus x plus plus, that means it is an increment operator. It will increment the value of x by 1. Next is assignment operator, so it will basically assign the value to the variable. For example, int a is equal to 10, in this value 10 will get assigned to this variable a. Next is a relational operator. So here it will compare the two values and the result can be true or false. For example, we have Boolean response where it is a conditional 5 double equal to 5, that means it's an relational operator equal to and which will comes as a true. So there are other relational operators as well. So we can use these relational operators it will give us true or false as a value in return. Next is a logical operators. We can use it to combine or reverse Boolean expressions. For example, we can see this is the double and ampersand sign, which we can use as a logical and. Similar way we have logical or and logical not operation. Next we have bitwise operator. So we can see this is the bitwise operator and ampersand, and here it will use it will operate on an individual bits. So there are other bitwise operators as well. Along with this we are going to see all those in detail. So next is a ternary operator. So for example it will use for as a shortcut for if else. So here you can see this is the question mark. Before that we have a condition. If this condition is met, then it will return this yes, and if the condition fails, then it will return no. So this way we can use this ternary operator to get the response or get the string which we want based on true or false of the expression. So let us understand each operator more in detail along with some different examples. So first one is a arithmetic operator. We can see these are different operators we can use like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus, and these are some examples for each operator. So basically this arithmetic operator we can perform basic mathematical operation using this arithmetic operator. Next is a unary operator. We can use these many unary operators, and this is the description of each one, and this is an example for each one. Basically this is an increment sign we can use, and this is an decrement sign we can use, and this is the logical not. So all these are the unary operators we can make use of, and this basically operate on a single operand. So next one is a assignment operator. So here it will assign values and perform operations. So these are the operators which are getting used very open in any program and in any project, because this is the assignment operator which will assign value to the left hand side variable. Next is a relational operator, so which will compare two values and result can be true or false, and these are the different relational operators we can make use of, and these are some example for each one. So equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to, all these operators we can make use of based on our condition. Next is a logical operator. We can use it to combine or reverse Boolean expressions. For example, these are different logical operators, which is first one is a logical and we can use it like this one to club two conditions and check whether both are true. In that case only it will return as a true. This is the logical OR, in which either of the condition is met, then the result will be true. For example, if is weekend is true and is holiday is false, the result will be true, because it will require either of the two or three either of the two operands to be true, then the result will be true. Next is a logical NOT, in which it will make a negation, like if it is a true, it will make a false, and if it is false, then it will make a true. So this is for logical operators. Next is a bitwise operators. So this operator operate on individual bits, and these are the examples of bitwise operators, and bitwise AND, bitwise XOR, bitwise NOT, left shift, right shift, and unsigned right shift. So these are the example of each one. So next is a ternary operator, which we can use for the conditional purpose and which is a shorthand for if and else statement. So this operator is a bit different from the rest of the operators, because here we are using two symbols, like first is a question mark and other is a colon. Now we can understand it with this example. For example, here inside this bracket we have one condition like 5 greater than 3. If this you can consider any condition at here. If that condition is true, then it will return whatever text is there next to this question mark, that will get returned and assigned to the left hand side variable. If this condition is failed, then it will return whatever text is there next to this column, that will get returned and assigned to the left hand side variable. So this is about how ternary operator will work and how we can use this in our actual coding. So this is all about operators in Java, and we have covered most of the operators more in detail along with the examples, and I hope you must have enjoyed this, and please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching this.